Welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Thursday afternoon, December 18th, 2025, and we have a lineup of business and corporate headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
HeartBeam ranks second worldwide in 12-lead ECG innovation. HeartBeam, a medical technology company, has been recognized as a global IP and technology leader in portable cardiac diagnostics. Ranking second worldwide in 12-lead ECG innovation, HeartBeam's proprietary synthesis ECG system captures the heart's electrical signals in 3 dimensions. This allows for cardiologist-level ECG data to be obtained from compact devices, addressing the challenge of delivering high-quality cardiac monitoring wherever patients are. The company is cleared for arrhythmia monitoring with ischemia as a future goal. For more information, visit HeartBeam's website.
AI News Breaks. Robo.ai Inc. NASDAQ, AIIO, secures $180 million financing to support strategic growth initiatives. Robo.ai Inc., trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol AIIO, has secured $180 million in financing from ATW Partners. The funding includes $80 million in convertible notes and a $100 million equity purchase facility, with the first portion completed on December 11, 2025. These funds will support strategic growth initiatives, potential mergers and acquisitions, and overall corporate operations. Robo.ai plans to use the financing to advance its AI software, smart device, and smart asset platforms, as well as expand globally in smart logistics, low-altitude eVTOL technologies, and digital infrastructure development. The company has the option for subsequent closings, providing flexibility for capital deployment. For more information, visit Robo.ai's website. $1 billion breaks. McEwen Inc. McEwen Inc. joins IBM BillionDollarClub on scale, asset depth, and insider alignment. McEwen Inc., a precious metals producer with gold and silver operations across the Americas, has joined IBM's BillionDollarClub due to its more than $1 billion market capitalization. Led by founder Rob McEwen, who owns 15% of the company, McEwen Mining combines insider alignment with leverage to precious metals and copper markets. The company's diversified asset base, active trading liquidity, and long-term growth strategy position it for value creation as commodity demand and project advancement continue. McEwen's corporate profile can be viewed at the company's website. McEwen provides shareholders exposure to gold and silver production, a large copper development project, and significant interest in McEwen Copper, with a focus on regenerative mining and carbon neutrality by 2038. For more information about Billion Dollar Club, visit their website. Citroen could release an EV costing less than $20,077. Citroen is considering releasing an electric vehicle priced under $20,077, pending European regulators' approval of a new vehicle classification. Reports suggest the French automaker could unveil a successor to the C1 inspired by the iconic 2CV's character. This move would position Citroen as one of Europe's most affordable electric options, potentially competing with companies like Ferrari NV. Green Car Stocks is a specialized platform focusing on electric vehicles and the green energy sector, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.